welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I did this hair. This is a U-part wig I have made, and you know, since tape ends have come to this, like, it's trendy right now, I was like, I don't know if I want to do tape ends on my whole head. So let me just do something simple that I can do. So I just did a U-part wig and just made it so that it looked natural enough to where it gives tape ends. Like, I can put it up in a ponytail. I can do anything with this head. So if you are interested on how this is made, not really how it's made, I didn't do a construction video. If you would like that, please leave a comment. I don't mind making another one. But I'll just be showing you guys how I did my hair. So if you are interested, please keep watching.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Okay, first we're going to start with washing my hair. I'm going to be using these two shampoos and this one deep conditioner. I'll leave the deep conditioner on my head for about 30 minutes with a plastic bag. And then I'll check back in with y'all once my hair is fully washed. I don't do nothing special in my wash routine. Just wash my hair, deep condition it, come back, and then I'll show y'all the products I use before I blow dry. Okay, so my hair is done. It's deep conditioned. As you can see, I got a little bit of heat damage, but at this point, I honestly don't care anymore. I really don't. But yeah. So we can finna start with these products. I have a few products that I use a few. This is a lot of products, I promise. You don't need them all. I mostly recommend the John Frieda Freeze Ease because it really does help with frizz. And you do need like a blow dry spray. So either you can get the Designer Essentials blow dry spray or that Kenra blow dry spray. Either one, I don't think it's really much, honestly, but you do need a blow dry spray. And the BioSoup and the Chi, you can use one or the other. I just use both because I bought both. And that just really helps with the shine in your hair. But yeah, I'm gonna just put it in sections and then spray each product. Okay, so we're gonna start with, I normally start with my Tresemme. It's just not locked. I would just do all the products on each section because frankly, I don't care anymore. I'm sorry. Let me stop saying that. I'm going to do all the products on each section just to make sure the sections that I do need end up having enough product on it. We'll say that. But, yeah. I'm going to speed this up because I don't want this to be a super long video. I use all those products. It doesn't really matter the order. I don't use a whole lot of the serum, because if you use a lot, it will make your hair like really weighed down. So just use like a dime size amount. I would say on each section, maybe a little bit less than that if you're gonna do each section. Now it's time to blow dry, and I like to do really small sections. So I'll just cut each of these sections, either the back two, I'll just cut them in two because I'm kind of thin. But these, this might be 3 and 3 because I'm kind of thick up there. My hair is thicker at the top than it is in the back. And yeah, I just blow dry. I use just a regular blow dry. I think it's Conair. Just make sure this is the most important part, is this. Make sure your hair is fully detangled. Please do not try to use this as a detangler because it's just gonna break. I learned it the hard way a few times. So yeah, that's all I do. I hold it, do this, and then I finally go all the way down to my ends. All the sections do the same thing. Okay, I'm gonna speed this through. It's okay. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I just got done blow drying my hair. It could be a lot better, but my attachment to my blow dryer broke. It ain't broke, I just have to fix it. Like the little white part on the inside that makes it clamp to the blow dryer is out of place. So I just had to use a brush in the blow dryer, which really isn't the best option, but it had to get done. And now it's time to part so we can start braiding up. And I'll show y'all how I braid my hair. I'm doing the middle part, so yeah. Last time I did a stop part, I liked it, but we'll switch it up this week. Not switch it up, but switch it back. I like to have a deep part. I don't really care about it being in the middle because I do a lot of leave out. So I think my part is like back here. Last time I learned, I did, it was really thin, my leave out. It was enough to cover the tracks or like the wig. However, it looked less natural with like the top of the wig being up here. So I'm gonna try and do this again. Hopefully this is better. Okay, so it'll be one side. I know it looks like a lot of leave out, but the more leave out you do, the more natural it look. Is that in the middle? Yeah. I know, right? This really is a big section. I'm trying to do a straight part. I don't want it to be. Okay, that's good enough for me. Okay. Oh Lord, I done lost it. I lost it. Okay. And this will be all my leave out. Not all of it, because I still got to do around the sides. to braid the back. And I first like to do like two braids, so like coming from here all the way down. I'm not the best braider, so if you come here from some braiding tips, I ain't got none. Alright, so I'll show y'all that. So I completed these two braids where it just goes down around, and the rest I'm just gonna do like straight, not straight backs, but should I do straight backs? No, I do them straight down. I'm not gonna film that because frankly, my feet hurt, so I'm gonna sit down, braid them down, and I'll come back. Okay, so I'm done braiding. I already bobby pinned it. You can see a little bit of the ends left out. Yeah, that's all I do. That's my foundation basically. But now I'm gonna just straighten my leave out, and after that's done, we're gonna put on the wig. Okay, now it's time to put on the wig. I got done straightening my leave out. So this is the U-part wig I made. I just used the dome cap, and I just put all these wig clips in there. I honestly need some more wig clips because it'll be sitting how I want it to. So I don't have a video of me constructing this wig, but if you would like it, just leave a comment. I don't mind doing another one. But yes, this is it. Okay, so we're gonna put this on. I washed it yesterday, so it needs to be blow dried. So I like to put this clip on first. Okay, this is basically how I go. I can't really do this on this camera, so I'll be back once it's done. So this is the final look. I did go ahead and curl it. It has failed some, but I don't mind. The more it falls, the better it looks, especially when you have layers in it. So I did cut layers in this, but this was like a minute ago. But I can make another wig for you guys just so you can get like the full gist of it. But basically, this is just how it goes. And you know, it looks as natural as possible. That's the goal. So if you did like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.